Hi everyone, welcome to my 15-second profit warrior review. This is Kadi from Kadi's Digital Marketing. So today we're going to review another interesting product from Dan and Philip. This is going to be launched on the 11th of July. So in a nutshell, what is this 15-second profit warrior? So if you're familiar with YouTube and you know what YouTube is all about, so this is another interesting element that is coming from YouTube. So this is about creating YouTube shorts. So this is a new thing that has come up, so where people will be creating just 15 seconds a video so that they can just entice, just make the potential customers interested. So it can be anything, right? So for entertainment, you just want to pull the crowd so that they can subscribe to your channel. So, but as an affiliate marketer, how will this YouTube short help you? It will help to drive traffic to your channel, and also help drive traffic to the offer that you'll be promoting at the time. So this is what we will be talking about. So if you feel like this is something that you're interested in, you want to find out more about this interesting product that is created by Dan and Philip, so I suggest that you stick with me throughout my entire review so that I can just take you through what 15-second profit warrior is all about. But for now, let's just get into it and find out more about the product. So we are now on, I just made a search on Google. So for those people who don't know what YouTube shorts are all about, so I just want to take you guys through in a nutshell so I can just explain what is it all about. So shorts is a new way to express yourself in 15 seconds or less. And basically you will be creating short form videos, right? And another thing that is interesting is you get discovered like every month by 2 billion viewers that are coming from YouTube. So this is what I wanted to bring home to the 2 billion viewers. Just imagine, as an affiliate marketer, I know that all the viewers are not interested in purchasing like digital product or whatever offer, be it high ticket or low ticket offers. But in terms of the viewership, this is huge, right? So so if you create shorts, you will be have an opportunity where more people will be able to check your offer. So that's what I wanted to drive home to. But now I just want us to talk about the product itself. So 15-second profit warrior. So this is what Philip is saying. So this is one of the creators of the product, Philip Johansson. This is the guy. So basically they are saying, so you will be able to earn $171 a day using a 15-second free buyer traffic loophole. Then you will be able to duplicate the exact result in a mere second without spending a dime, right? Because this is a free traffic source. That's what they're talking about. And in terms of the benefit that comes with this product, you should be able to so this is for beginner. It's beginner friendly. It's backed by real case studies, and it's an all-in-one solution. So free buyers traffic in just 15 seconds, because you will be creating the videos, and the videos the maximum is 15 seconds. That's what they're talking about. So as I've showed you in the Google search that I've done, it's 15 seconds or less, and your videos must be in a vertical layout. So there's no further investment. It's a free traffic source. So you also get a 30-day money back guarantee. So guys, so there's no loss from your side. You can try this product, and if you're not happy, you can send it back and say, no, I'm not interested. So they need to look into it and give you your money back. And another interesting thing is the first 200 buyers will get exclusive training on how 15 seconds profit warrior is used. This method to generate more than $43,000 in just 7 days. Wow, that sounds interesting. So, but now I just want us to go to the bonuses. I just want us to just check the bonuses that I have before I can just take you to the members area where we will find out more about the product. So this is my 15 seconds profit warrior bonus page. So let me just highlight one thing first. Bear in mind that the bonuses will only be available for the period of the launch, and if the timer hits 00, unfortunately the bonuses won't be available anymore. So the bonuses will expire, right? So you need to act fast and take up the offer. And for you to be able to take up the offer, you can just click in the description link, and that description link will take you to the sales page that I just showed you now. Let's do this. So the description link will take you to this page, the sales page, and you should be able to click on this call to action button, and you'll make the purchase, and you should be able to get the product. This is the Warrior Plus product, and Warrior Plus will send you an email that has the login details so that you can access the product. But let's just go through the bonus page. So these are the prices. So the price starts with $12.95, which is not bad. So you access the powerful 15-second profit warrior software and training module. So we'll go to the training module just now. And upsell number 1, which is the pro version, you get advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert up to 10 times higher. So this is not bad. So for $27, that's what you get. You get the pro version with the campaigns that are working, proven campaigns from Philip and Dan. So for $27, upsell number 2, done for you money maker. This is a visually done for you setup of the system where you don't have to do anything. They'll do everything for you. You get all the done for you you get the done for you campaigns you need to basically plug into the front end system. Cut your work time by 10 times and start profiting even further, because this will be done for you. You won't have to do much. They'll set up everything for you. So which is doesn't sound bad for $67. And upsell number 3, unlimited traffic. Allow customer to put their pixels on our sales page and have a digital email list. We know that email list is the king. Without an email list in this online business, you won't succeed. So if you have an opportunity to be able to optimize the system so that you can earn more profit, so I think this is worthwhile. So Philip and Dan are saying the page will get pages get hit by multiple 1,000 of buyers. So these buyers are yours for the taking. So they will share their buyers with you so that you'll be able to maximize the list and ultimately be able to earn profit. So this might lead to you getting your offers being bought by this particular buyers. Upsell number 4 is the reseller's right. So you get commission of 15 seconds profit warrior and start banking in 2 times more commissions. So this is a reseller's right to sell the product, and you'll be able to get 100% commission. And the next upsell is upsell number 5, coaching for $497. So this is exclusive coaching platform including live weekly calls for an entire year. Wow, that sounds nice. So because mostly other product you just buy and then that's it, right? You're on your own. So or maybe they'll offer 2 calls. So this is for the entire year, which doesn't sound bad. So they'll make sure that you are successful and you will be able to make money because you'll be having a one-to-one coaching sessions with the creator. So in addition, members join an exclusive mastermind for more on-the-fly coaching and networking. We all know mentorship is an ultimate shortcut to results. This is the answer for customers. 100%. I know without coaching, you won't be able to succeed. So I went through the benefits. I won't go through the benefits again. So, but just to highlight, if you're not happy with the product, you will be able to return it. So there's no loss from your end. So I want us to check out the training section. So this is the members area, and this is then one of the creator of the product. So here they welcome you, and under the introduction section they talk about what YouTube Shorts is all about. As I've said, I've showed you, it's all about creating a 15-second or less video where you'll be able to just entice the customers or the buyers, potential buyers, to just check out your offers. That is if you're an affiliate marketer, but if you're into entertainment, so that they can just check out your channel and subscribe. But with affiliate marketing, you want people to buy into your product, your offers, so that they can just check your offers that you're offering. So it's another way of an organic method of just promoting your product. And they also provide what are the do's and don'ts of using YouTube Shorts, faceless Shorts. So there's different method, right? Faceless Short, using mobile screens on desktop. So they offer quite a bit on how you can succeed using the YouTube Shorts, right? Which is interesting. So you can just have a look at it. So as I've said here, I want us to go and talk about my awesome and interesting bonuses. The first one that I have is optimize your YouTube traffic. So this is all about YouTube. It's YouTube Shorts. So you can just complement this course, 15 seconds, a profit warrior, with this, and to show you how you can optimize the YouTube traffic. So that's a bonus that is coming from me to you if you take up the offer. Another one is 4 proven insider tips for making a great channel content. So content is important. Without an interesting content and content that offers value, people will not even visit your channel. People will not even take time to just look at what you're offering. So this will help you, and this is created by one of the super affiliates out there, created by John Armstrong himself. The next one is 24 followers in 24 hours. So you should be able to have more than 24,000 followers in 24 hours. This is one of the tutorials, and to help you to check as to how you can do that. And this is the 35 bonuses to use in your promos. So these are the different bonuses that you can check out to use in your promotion, so that you can entice people to buy into the offer that you'll be offering at the time, because you know that bonuses drive our customers, and most customers, sometimes they're not even interested in the product, they just want their bonuses. So the last bonus, these are the bonuses that Philip and Tim has given me, so I can just offer you. So this should be interesting, so you should be able to check it out yourself. And once you take up the product, right? So but now I just want us to go here to the sales page and just check out more. So this is the page, and also this is meet the 15-second haircut after. So like she's sharing her testimony as to what was the struggle, and now she's saying now family believe the only legitimate proof of success is if it can be repeated by others. So if others can do it, surely you can also achieve it. So these are testimonies, and they show you first day of using the system. This is how much they're able to make. So but you can just go through the sales page yourself and just check it out and see what it's all about. So 15-second profit warrior is a powerful, shocking, and easily breakthrough system, and you should be able to earn commission. So guys, this is the 15-second profit warrior review. So if you are interested, don't forget to click on the description link. All know that YouTube is a big platform where people are just pushing their content, and it's another free organic traffic source that you can use to promote your offer. It's an affiliate marketer. So, and it's if you're a beginner also, it's not that hectic. You can just leverage off what this product is offering, and it is packed with content. You can just check it out in a training section. And so this is Kadi from Kadi's Digital Marketing, and thanks for watching my my 15-second profit warrior. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, as I'll be coming up with more reviews. And but for now, cheers guys, and have a wonderful day. But cheers for now. Thanks guys.